Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well. And you?
I'm good too, just a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I went to sleep late last night.
Oh no, what were you doing?
I was watching a movie,
What movie did you watch?
a funny movie. It made me laugh a lot.
That sounds fun. I like funny movies too.
Maybe we can watch one together next time.
Yes, that's a great idea.
What are you doing today?
I want to go to the supermarket.
I need to go too. I have no food at home.
Do you want to go together?
Sure. It's always better to go with a friend.
Let's make a shopping list first.
Okay. I need bread, eggs, and milk.
I need rice, chicken, and some vegetables.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots, tomatoes, and broccoli.
I love broccoli. It's very healthy.
Yes, and easy to cook too.
Do you know how to cook well?
A little. I can cook simple things.
That's good. I'm learning to cook.
What do you like to cook?
I like to make pasta. It's easy.
Pasta is delicious. I like it with cheese.
Me too. And with tomato sauce.
Do you want to cook dinner together tonight?
Yes, that will be fun.
Okay. Then we will buy things for pasta.
What do we need?
Pasta, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and cheese.
Think we have garlic at home?
Great! That saves some money.
Let's also buy some juice.
Good idea. Do you want apple or orange?
Orange, please. It's my favorite.
Mine too. Do you want any snacks?
Maybe some chips or cookies?
I want some chocolate.
Dark or milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate. It's sweeter.
Okay, we can get both kinds.
Do you need anything for breakfast?
Yes, maybe cereal and yogurt.
I like yogurt with fruit.
Me too, especially with bananas.
Do you like to eat at home or outside?
I like both, but home is more comfortable.
Yes, and cheaper too.
That's true. Eating out costs a lot.
Okay, I think we're ready to go shopping.
Let's walk to the supermarket. It's close.
Yes, just 5 minutes from here.
Do you always shop at this store?
Yes, it has good prices.
And the workers are friendly.
That's important. It makes shopping nicer.
Let's take a basket. We don't need a cart.
Okay, let's find the vegetables first.
Here are the carrots. Do we need onions?
Yes. Get 2 onions, please.
Got them. What's next?
Tomatoes. We need 4 big ones.
These look good.
Perfect. Now the pasta section.
What kind of pasta do you want?
Spaghetti. Do you like that?
Yes, I love spaghetti.
Let's get 2 packs.
Done. What's next?
Cheese. Do you see it?
Yes, it's over there.
Get the small pack, please.
Okay, got it.
Now juice and snacks.
Orange juice is here. Let's get 1 bottle.
Great. I will get chocolate and cookies.
Don't forget the milk.
Right. We need it for breakfast.
Let's go to the milk section.
Okay. Here it is. 1 bottle is enough?
Yes, 1 is fine.
Let's go to the checkout now.
I think we got everything.
This was a good shopping trip.
Yes, thank you for coming with me.
You're welcome. It's always fun with you.
Let's go home and start cooking.
I'm excited to eat together.
Me too. Let's go.